These guys are scared. They're bringing a much weaker roster this year against a much stronger roster. This is my natural voice.
It's not funny.
Let's get the intimidation going. Let's get in their heads. We got to see these guys one more time after this. Let's make them remember tonight.
Wildfire.
From the University of Wisconsin, number 25, Ross Barker. From the University of Chicago, number 9, Jeff White. From Elmhurst, Illinois, number 10, Von Galen. From Detroit, Michigan, number 15, Drew Swanson. From the University of Wisconsin, number 17, Tommy Gallagher.
Oh! Let's go inside! Go inside! Jason! All right. Push him out, Jesse! Jesse, push him out! Yes, Vaughn. Jesse, stay under! Yeah, Vaughn.
We're looking really relaxed, which is fine, but it's a little too relaxed. Yeah. Throws are floating. I think there's a surprising amount. Like,
All fans who picked up a mini disc have a chance to
there's
compete
like
in
a
tonight's challenge.
surprising amount of wind, I guess. It's popping it up a little bit. So let's crisp up our throws.
So fans, what you're going to do is from the stands, you're going to toss your mini discs into one of these 3 buckets. Set them off the track.
Sideline. I think there's a couple times we could have left
if you're able to get it in.
Guys to put the double team on, and then finally when
fans,
we get
are we
to
ready?
that minute, we just got to be aware of the time.
Fans, I can't hear you. Are we ready?
Okay. Yes. We're coming on defense. Line.
Let's go, Blue! Let's go, Blue! Fire! 1, 2, fire! Oh boy. Inside!
Fourth quarter, okay? Everything that happened before this doesn't fucking matter.
Let's go.
None of it. That sweet play by Zeman doesn't matter. All the goals you had doesn't matter, okay? We go out there, we run our ass off.
Hell yeah!
Get up and drill. You know what? Let's get a little couple GMS in there, okay? Come on, let's not do that, okay? Let's keep the ground. Come on, let's beat him with our chest. Let's go! 1, 2, 1, 2, 1,
Easy! Let's go! Oh! You!
All day, nothing. Catch that.
And that's the game! A win for your Chicago Wildfire. The final score, Minnesota 16, Chicago 23.